Chase is going to explain to us how he did the bell ringer. Let's pay close attention for anyone that was not sure how to work it out or was not sure how to show their work. All right, Chase, go ahead and explain to him what you did, please. Okay, we talk a little bit louder, that way they can hear you on the thing because the microphone's way back here.
I divided 8 by 40, 0.2, and multiplied it by 6, not 12.
Okay, so you're saying for number 1, you got 0.2, and then for number 2, you got 12. Okay, Alexis, tell us, do you agree or disagree?
I got 12 from one of them. But the first one, I don't know if I did it right. So I agree.
Okay, how do you find the unit rate? You divide. You did through the first number divided by the second number. So to find the unit rate, you would do 8 miles divided by 40 minutes. Well, what's 8 divided by 40?
0.2.
0.2. I think you did 40 divided by 8.
I did.
So that means 0.2 miles per minute. So he walks 0.2 miles in 1 minute. So how would I figure out how much he travels in 60 minutes if he does 0.2 every 1 minute? Multiply 0.2 times 60, and what's 0.2 times 60? 12 miles.
Oh, I did it differently.
How did you do it?
I did it like cross multiplying.
8 over 40 equals x over 60.
Yeah, that's how I did it.
Yeah.
So 40x equals 480.
Yep.
Divide by 40, x equals 12.
Yep. That must be cool. That's what I did.
Big brain.
What did you still get 0.2 for the unit rate?
Yeah.
Okay, so you did this for the unit rate, and then you did this for number 2. That's fine. That worked perfectly.
That must be going pretty slow.
Yeah. They're probably it looks like he's walking.
Looks like who's walking?
8 miles and 40 minutes.
All right. What questions do you have for me on the bell ringer?
Oh, no.
Yes.
Can you really walk 8 miles in 40 minutes?
Probably.
It takes me an hour to walk 2 miles.
No, I can't get the Bernie from here in 40 minutes. It'd take you like a whole 6 hours. I can walk I walk from my house to school in like 45, and I live across town by the East Park. So.
Do you know about how many miles?
That ain't no 8 miles.
It'd be 8.
Yo, why
That's probably like 2 miles.
Yeah, you probably walk about 2 miles.
Yeah.
Because the thing, bro.
That would take it. It'd take like a few hours. On my little scooter though, I get from my house in like
His little scooter.
6 minutes. Like,
Heck yeah,
Alright,
You go ahead and put your bell ringers away in your folder. We will be doing a bell ringer tomorrow, and then we'll be turning your bell ringer sheet in tomorrow.
and I just have a life.
Dude, I'm gonna have 2, 3.
So you want to be in class tomorrow?
I'm
Okay,
gonna
so
have
if
2.
you want to, you can go get on Friday and put absent and give it to me. If you want to go ahead and turn it in.
Imagine.
So-
And then we're going to be taking a quiz
I
tomorrow.
feel pretty bad. I feel pretty bad.
I don't know why I'm
I'm gonna get up and I feel bad. Bro, man, you get everything, you get all your friends. I was just thinking.
Imagine.
All right, if I can have your attention, please. There's been a slight change of plans of what we're doing today. Instead of us finishing that activity from yesterday, you are going to do a class assignment.
Yay! We have to have together. Is it over proportions?
It's over proportions.
Of course it is.
So, let me get through the instructions, please. On your class assignment, you need to show your work. If you need to show your work on a separate piece of paper, that's okay. Just make sure your answer is written on here so it's easy for me to grade. And if you do your work on here, please put a box or circle your answer so that way I can easily see what your answer is for each one. The front page is just solving proportions. And then on the back page, there are 3 word problems. And they're pretty much just like number 2 on your bell ringer. Like they don't ask you for your unit rate. It's pretty much like your bell ringers have been. It just doesn't ask you for the unit rate. It just asks you for this down here.
What are we doing here tomorrow?
You have a quiz. We're gonna do a bell ringer and you're gonna have a quiz tomorrow over proportions.
Do you think we can all finish the test in 20 minutes?
What if
You'll be in fourth hour longer than 20 minutes because of lunch. And fourth hour is gonna be at the end of the day.
So can we like
skipping school?
still do the exact same practice on the right then do the
You can do it that way on number back three.
will it
That's
still
fine.
be right?
Yes.
Mine will it work?
Well, I have time to sleep.
Tyler.
No, working. You're working
I'm
Well, I have time to sleep.
tomorrow if you finish the quiz.
I'm ready. What you in here?
You're not supposed to bring blankets to school.
Covered, like, look.
What if we
like-
bring one, like, take it as a loading item?
He is that's retarded. Why would you?
Yes, David, let's take it.
Alright, this worksheet's due at the end of class,
Can we listen to music?
as long as I can't hear it and as long as you continue working. If I've had a discussion with you before about not listening to music because you don't get very much done, then no, you can't listen to music.
Consider it back to shot all my work.
You sound like a sweet.
Why are we so late?
Alright, college and Brooklyn. Alright, hey guys, you need to turn around and get to work. If you're talking, you're distracting others and they won't be able to focus and get finished, and this assignment's due in class before you leave. So you need to be working quietly and individually. Yes, sir.
Can we write our answers in pen?
That's okay. Alright, Brooklyn and Colin, I'm going to show you the worksheet. You're going to need a piece of paper, and you need to write the problems down on your paper and work them out on your paper. Guys, I still hear talking, and I see that some people have not gotten started. Alright, you need to work the problems out on paper and circle your answer. Whenever you're done with number 9, let me know, and I will move it up so you can see the others. Alright, so there's your worksheet. You gotta say, write the problems down on a piece of paper and work them out on paper.
Bro, stop.
Miss Goodman? Miss Goodman, I had confidence until I seen the back of the
Let's see
paper.
how you do today. If you get this finished today,
For real.
then the next time we will.
Miss Goodman, I had confidence I'll finish this. So I looked at the back of the paper. And my confidence went down.
Let's get to work. Do what? Yeah, you cross multiply, so 5 times x and then 2 times 6. Alright, let's be working. Are you okay? Okay, and then you put 4 times x equals 10 times 9. And so you got 4 times x equals, what's that? You don't do that. You do like what we did on the bell ringer down there. How I did 40 times x is 40x, and then I did 8 times 60 is 480. And then I divided both sides by 40 and got x equals 12. Okay, so, yes. So let's say I had two over x equals 10/3. I would do 10 times x, which is 10x, equals 2 times 3, which is 6. And then I would divide both sides by 10 and get x equals 6 divided by 10, which is 0.6. Yeah, x times 10, so like 10 times x. Or like if it was x times 5, it would be 5x. No, so first you do 4 times x, so what's 4 times x? 4x, so you write 4x equals, so write that down, 4x equals. Now you would do 9 times 10, 9 times 10. 90, so you have 4x equals 90. Now you would solve for x by dividing both sides by 4, so divide both sides by 4. There you go.
Yeah.
We're trying to see what you give me divided by 45.
Now we still got like 30 minutes left. Hey guys, I'm gonna move this worksheet down. Brooklyn and Colin, are y'all okay if I move it down? Okay. There's the rest of it. On the front page, there's also a back page, so let me know when you're done with number 15.